and welcome back to our series. Today, we're diving into the art of visual persuasion by creating a stunning photo gallery showcase section for your site visitors to see. So let's get started and turn those gorgeous photos into bookings. So first, we're going to prepare a section where you're going to place your gallery. You can add a new one by going to the Add Section button on the left. You can select a template or you can just add a blank one that you can design yourself, which is what I'm going to do. So using these arrow buttons here, you can move your section up or down depending on where you would like to place it. So I think I'd like to place it here. All right, so now we're going to add a text first to serve as our heading. So let's go to the plus button. We're going to go to text and let's add a heading 1. Let's see. I think this might be a heading 2. So maybe we should stick to heading 2 for a consistent look and feel. And let's rename it to something relevant, like say for example, okay, perhaps that's fine. We're going to extend the height of our section in order to accommodate the elements we're going to be putting here. And I'm just going to edit my title until I'm happy with it. Now we're going to add a paragraph in order to add a brief description. Add your text here. All right, now it's time to add our gallery element. We're going to go to the plus button and let's go to gallery. Select a gallery layout that you'd like to use and then drag and drop it to your page. Once it's added, position it properly. All right, it's time to replace the images within our gallery. We're going to go to Manage Media. We're going to click on the first image and click on Replace Image here. We're going to select an image we would like to feature first and then click on Add to Page. Also, this is where you can add a title and description and alt text to your image. So we're going to repeat the same process until we finish replacing all images. If you'd like to add more, simply click on Add Media and repeat the process. Once you're done, click on Done, and your images would automatically show up over here. You may need to readjust your section size, and once everything's all good, click on Save. And that's it. A stunning photo gallery showcase section that will make guests fall in love with your property at first sight. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.